Hopefully my birds will follow me. That I would love. My little grackle. There's one that doesn't eat them. He's not very violent. He doesn't pick on them. He's very timid. He's scared of me because of the rest of the grackles that I have to chase out of my yard sometimes because they get too hairy and they look up and they puff out and they make that noise, and then if they get into a frenzy they could hurt my sparrows. So yeah, but this one's fine. He's fine. He just needs a little bit of birdseed and love. And I think they're so smart. Like, I think he understands. He's like, no, as long as I behave, I don't push the birds around, I'm not a bully to them, I can eat with them. Hey, yeah. I just crouch down and keep my head low and maybe she won't even notice me.